We're going to begin by reviewing our concept cards. And begin. Plain shape. This is a triangle. This is a square. Right angle. Acute angle.
Rectangle.
That's a rectangle.
Rhombus.
That is not a rhombus. Who's got that one? That's a trapezoid. Read it. Trapezoid. That's a trapezoid. Alright. This looks like a rectangle, but it's got acute and obtuse angles. It does not have any right angles. What do you call this, Ksenia?
That is a rhombus.
That's not a rhombus. It's got both acute and obtuse angles. I bet Ella knows that one. This is a parallelogram. Parallelogram. Say it.
Parallelogram.
Good. All right. So this again is a
trapezoid.
And this is a
Parallelogram.
That's a parallelogram. Good. These are parallel lines, just like in a parallelogram. These two lines are parallel. These two lines are parallel. Get two sets of parallel lines. And this is a circle. Something very easy that you've learned. That's your
rhombus.
That's your rhombus. Good. All right. Roman numerals. What does M stand for, class?
1,000.
D is 500.
150.
That's your 50. And if you put X, a 10, right next to a 50, does that become a 50-10?
No.
It doesn't. You add the 10 to the 50. What do you get when you add 10 plus 50, Susha?
It will be a 60.
60. I know somebody got that one wrong on the test.
Who can tell me what the normal body temperature is in Fahrenheit scale? 98.6. Yes, 98.6. What's the freezing point of water on the Celsius scale? 0 degrees Celsius. And Fahrenheit, same point. 32 degrees. Good. There. Very good. All right, you guys, you have been learning your multiplications, and I'm a little bit concerned as far as your 10s and 11s. Seems to me that you guys forgot all about how these work. When you're multiplying any number by a 10, you take that number and you add a 0 to it. That's easy, right? Take a look what happens to 4 when you multiply by 10. It becomes a 40, which is a 40. Take the number, add a 0, get a 40. What happens to a 6 if you multiply by 10? You just add a 0 to the number. To the 6 and it becomes a 60. Good. Now what happens to a number when you're multiplying it by 11? You double that digit. You take the 6 and you add another 6 to it. 11 times 6 is 66. What happens to 11 if it's multiplied by 10? Just add a 0. Good. You take a number and add a 0 to it. That's it. You have 11 times 10. That's 11 and a 0. Okay, remember that. Say with me. 11 times 10 equals 110. 11 times 10 equals 110. Good. Memorize that. Same right here. 10 times 11 backwards, it doesn't matter. It's still 11 and a 0, 110. All right. These are the ones I know you guys are struggling with. 11 times 11 and 11 times 12. Let's say this one together. 11 times 11 equals 121. Close your eyes. Say it. 11 times 11 equals 121. Did you memorize that? All right, now 11 times 12. Say it. 11 times 12 equals 132. Take a picture of it. Close your eyes and repeat it out loud. 11 times 12 equals 132. All right, good. Now, I'm going to introduce to you the 12 multiplication cards. You already practiced some of those. We're going to go through all of them in order. 12 times. You should already know all of these. The only new ones that you're going to learn is the 12 by 12. Everything else you've learned so far. So, 0 times 12 is 0. Say it. 0 times 12 is 0. Well, let's see. Let's do it this way. 12 times 1 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. 12 times 3 is 36. 12 times 4 is 48. 12 times 5 is 60. 12 times 6 is 72. 12 times 7 is 84. 12 times 8 is 96. 12 times 9 is 108. 12 times 10 is 120. 12 times 11 is 132. And then 12 times 12 is 144. Now take a picture of this one with your eyes. Close your eyes. Say it with me, and then I'll pause it. I'll pause for a second and give you the chance to say it yourself. Say it. 12 times 12 12 equals 144. Close your eyes. Say it to yourself. Alright, do you memorize that? Now look back at 12 times 11 is 132. 12 times 12 is 144. Remember this, okay? Alright. Now, let's try getting a greater term. A fraction with a greater term. We want to get the same pizza but with just smaller sizes. So, a pizza that's 3 slices with just 2 shaded in, if you cut those slices some more, just in 2, what's a greater fraction that you can get that's an equal fraction but in greater terms? So pretend you have a pizza that's cut into 3 slices like this. 2 of them are shaded in. Multiply numerator and denominator by 2. This is what it's going to look like in real life. You're going to cut this slice in half, this slice in half, and this slice in half. How many slices total do you get? What will your denominator be now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Your denominator is 6. And how many slices are shaded now? 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's it. 4/6 is the same as 2/3. Do you see how that worked? 2/3 multiply by 2, multiply by 2. You get a 4/6. Got it? Alright, how about this one here? 1/4. Can you multiply 1/4 by 2? What would you get? What fraction would you get if you multiplied top and bottom by 2 by 2? 2/8. Good. Alright, how about 1/2? That one's really easy. 1/2. You get a 2/4. Very good. Alright, 1/3 multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2. You are going to get 2/6. That's the same thing. And last one, 3/4. Oh, I show you the wrong side. 3/4 would equal to 6/8 because 3 was multiplied by 2 and 4 was multiplied by 2 to get an 8. 3/4 times 2 times 2 equals 6/8. Okay? Let's do the same thing on your whiteboards with multiplying by 3. Ksenia, you may come up here. I'm going to show you a fraction. You multiply denominator and numerator by 3, and you write it. Use your whiteboard, see if you can beat Ksenia for the answer.
Okay, your first one is 1/2 multiplied by 3.
2/4.
You write it. 3. You got to multiply it by 3. Ooh, someone's not listening to instructions. 3/6. Raise your hand if you got 3/6 faster than Ksenia did. All right. How about multiply this by 3? We're doing all these by 3. She got 3 9s. This is correct. Did everybody get a 3 9s? What did you have on your board? 3 9s. 1/3 becomes a 3 9s. Good. All right. What about 1/4? She got a 3 12s. Did you guys get that? Very good. And last one. Oh, no, not last one. 2/3. 6 9s. 2 is multiplied by 3 and 3 is multiplied by 3. You get a 6 9s. All right, this is the last one. It's going to be a hard one. Go. I can't read that. Oh, multiplied by 3 is 3.
Wait.
You're multiplying by 3. I bet everyone got that one first. Good job. All right.
So, there's my pizzas right there. Okay? You all are going to get one of these today to work with, and you can play around and take a look. If I have 1/3, do you see how I have 3 slices here? If I take 1/3, is that the same? Is that going to look the same as if I took 3 out of 9?
Yes.
Yeah, take a look. So, just because I cut the slices into smaller, what did I do with 1 out of 3 so that it becomes 3 out of 9? What I did was basically this was cut into 3 more slices. This one is now these 3. Do you see that? Mm-hmm. This here these 3 is the same as this 1. And these 3 are the same as this 1. You have 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. But these all slices have been cut.
So what that looks like on here is, if we can multiply 3 quarters times any number, that means that we can divide and see what number can divide both of these numbers. This is where your multiples come in. When we were learning multiples of 2, multiples of 3, multiples of 4, this is where you're going to use them. What is 2 a multiple of? What multiplication train are 2 and 4 going to both be found on? What stations, what train are these both stations of? Ksenia, do you know which train? No. Well, think of all your multiplication tables. Will you ever see, remember how I asked you guys, will you ever see 13 on a multiplication train? No, 13 will never show up. Therefore, that means 13 can never be divided. Same with 2/4. Both 2 and 4 will be found in the 2 multiplication train. So these both can be divided by 2. Okay? 2 divided by 2 equals? Ksenia? That will be 1, and 4 divided by 2? 2. Is a half. Take a look. Is 2/4 the same as 1/2? Yes. Yes, it is. If you were going to take an apple and cut it in half, or take another apple and cut it in 4 pieces, but your parents only gave you this much and gave your little brother this much, are you getting the same amount of apple? Yes, because 2/4 is the same as 1/2. Do you see how that works? Let's try with 3/9. Is there a number, is there a multiplication train where 3 and 9 will both be on? Yes. Which one is that? 3. Yeah, so you can divide both of these numbers by 3 and get an even number. 3 divided by 3 equals? 1/3. 1, and 9 divided by 3 is a 3. You see how that works? Yes. Pick any numbers from any multiplication train. Let's try the 2 multiplication train. What 2 numbers will you ever find on a 2 multiplication train? 2, 4, you'll find, 8. Okay, stop right there. We're going to do a 6 and an 8. Because both 6 and 8 can be divided by 2, we are going to reduce 6 eighths. 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. Do you see how we got 6 eighths to become 3/4? Do you see how that works? Practice this with your parents. Ask them what multiples do they know of. Maybe they can give you a multiple, and you, maybe they can give you 2 multiples, and you can try to divide those denominator and numerator by the same number.